Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's topic is Elders of Deoband. What did they preached? Mahmood Hasan Gangohi. He is Faqihul of Deoband. His book is Mlfuzat Faqihul. It is a very massive book, more than 500 pages, and it is both on Urdu and English. The English translation was translated by the Deobandis of South Africa. Some stories from that book. There was a person by name of Durrahim. He was so much of that means he has so much of ilm ghaib, hidden knowledge. That means when whatever a person does, he knows what it is. He has some disciples or murid, and he used to write down what they are doing last night. And then in the morning, he will tell them, yes, last night you did all those things, and he will reprimand them. These things again and again. Yeah, that means he writes, Nabi Akram was not born in the normal way, just like through the birth canal. But he did not write how he was born, but he was not born through the birth canal, just like in our birth. Yeah. And the third thing, he says, when you are committing zina, fornication, with an adulteress or with a prostitute, but be careful, don't see her face, just cover her face. Because it is a part of Islam. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Not only Faqihul Ummat of Deoband.